Damn. Hey, let me ask you a quick question. What do you do for a living?
Oh man, let me step out because that might be long, bro. Hold on. Let me. Oh, what's this? Okay. You got a mic.
I got a mic.
So basically, you ever heard of leverage trading?
Nah, what's that?
So leverage trading is when you use and borrow funds to make more money. So right now, everybody in the world is going crazy because basically Bitcoin went down, right?
Okay.
But here's the catch. Did you know that you can make money as Bitcoin goes down and up? So usually when the market's going down, everybody's panicking.
Right.
Right? But we actually making money as it's going down. So I think the price went to about 73,000, right? So check this out. What this say right here? Let's go to our trade signal. It says Bitcoin's under the support of 77,828. We're shorting the market.
Word.
So shorting the market means we're making money as it goes down. So check this out.
Okay.
Look at this. Let's
Let's
pull
see,
it up.
Let's see. Okay, what's this?
Look at what price did it go down to?
Sheesh.
72,000.
Sheesh.
See that?
900. Yes.
So on the way down, right, we made the money going all the way. So a lot of times, I feel out of touch with society because in my life, everything is always good. We just only want the market to move. So basically, leverage trading is using borrowed funds to make more money. So it amplifies your wins. So let's say I'm on 10x leverage. That means I'm making 10 times the money or I'm losing 10 times the money. Now, I have a group called the Profit Squad where I make 90%.
Profit Squad?
Profit Squad. So we actually pretty much win 90% of our trades. So just to give you an idea, I want you to tell me the percentages you see. What that say?
32.
32%.
God
damn. I didn't even see this one. My bro did 963%. So basically, you know what that is? I mean, if you had $1,000 on this trade, you almost got 10,000. So every 100% you double your money.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So I gotta tap in with you.
I gotta tap in with you.
Tap in, bro.
How do I sign up? What's up?
Man, the sign up, all you gotta do is go to wap.com. If you're watching this video, I'm gonna put a link. But make sure y'all just follow Crypto Sass Guy on all socials.
Straight the fuck up. Love, brother.